I do feel like highlighting the nose, but I'm just like, I will.
Tell them walk one block. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related content, and if that sounds like your cup of tea, please be sure to subscribe. As you might have seen, the clean girl makeup trend has been going around and I decided to throw my hat in the ring, so I decided to give you a little taste of clean girl makeup, you know, according to Kay. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I did do a hair tutorial as well, so if you want to see that, let me know, and hopefully that will come out next week. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. So I have been trying to like perfect this thing for a couple of weeks, but now I'm just gonna throw a spanner in the works because I've got the new Nars foundation. I usually use the Huda Beauty foundation because that foundation is, the stick foundation is so skin-like, but because I have the Nars one, I'm gonna try it. I did try it a couple of days ago and it did look really nice, but I haven't really done the full thing and seen what that looks like. So we're just gonna try it and see what happens. So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty hydrating primer. I love this stuff regardless. I use this on a regular basis. I actually do a version of the clean girl makeup to work, but it's not gonna be the same thing as I do today. The one I do to work is like a 10-minute quick thing, not really like no foundation, just concealer, powder, and you know, blush, mascara. I thought I was gonna say like 2 products, but it's like 7. So I'm not gonna lie, when I did try this, I tried it at like 2 AM, so I didn't really get to get a feel for it and see how it was, and I only tried it on like half of my face, so I didn't really see, but you know. So I squirted a couple pumps. I think it was like 3 pumps on here. My favorite foundation of all time, like my GOAT foundation, is the Nars Radiant Creamy. No, that's not the other. The Nars Natural Longwear Radiant blah, blah. So it'll be interesting to see how this compares to that. I use both of them in the shade Macao. So I'm gonna really start on like the center of my face and where I have the most hyperpigmentation, and then go outwards. So I'm making sure to get most of it around my mouth because I have so much hyperpigmentation there, and I'm not going directly underneath my eyes. So all in all, I don't really want the whole foundation look, I just want to even out my skin tone a little bit. It's gonna be interesting to see what this like foundation routine, what this makeup looks like on someone that doesn't have perfect skin. So I have a lot of, you know, pigmentation, acne scars here and there, little scratches all over my face, so it'll be interesting to see how this routine works. Definitely use too much foundation. I think 2 pumps would have been enough. I'm not gonna lie, that looks like I do not have anything on. That looks really good, like really good. So I'm still going to bronze. I'm using my black Opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. This is not too dark on bronze, but it is one of my favorite things. I love how radiant and creamy it looks. And I'm just gonna, like, you can barely see that, but it does add some warmth and some dimension to my face. I kind of blend that upwards. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Nars Soft Matte Concealer. I love this stuff. So I'm gonna use the shade Amande. I'm just gonna take like a concealer brush like this. I don't know if you can really see that. And then just swirl it around. And I try to get into the corner here like this, but I try not to go too close to my under eye. It gives it more of a natural look, so this helps clean up any darkness without making it look unnatural and like too glam, if that makes sense. And I also put this on my upper lip because I get hyperpigmentation here. Command is a shade so close to my skin tone. Like when I'm not wearing any makeup, I can wear this and go. Then I use my beauty sponge to just blend it out, buff it in. Buff it out, blend it in. It looks so natural. I love it. Like, I love it. And I'm gonna go into my Fenty cream blush. This is my holy grail. I use it almost every time I do my makeup. And yeah, I'm just gonna go into that and press that onto my cheeks to give me some color. Who would I be if I didn't over blush at this point? And I'm gonna go back into my sponge again, no product on it, just making sure the under eyes and the blush mesh together. I'm only gonna set my T-zone, my oily T-zone. I'm gonna leave the rest to be glowy. So I think that is pretty much it for the skin, and I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. I do feel like highlighting the nose, but I'm just like, I will. So I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Medium Glow Obsessions, and I'm going to use this shade right here. It's like a cool tone bronze, and I love it for like highlighting my nose. Just taking that on my finger. And then using a different finger to blend it out, buff it out. Have I overdone it? Nah. So we are done with the skin. Let's move on to eyes. So for my eyes, I put some Gummy Wax in this like sample pot so that it's easier to just access and get to. So Gummy Wax is like an edge control. I use it for my hair, and this is the red one. The red one dries kind of matte. So I'm just gonna take a disposable spoolie, go into the Gummy Wax, get it in there, and then take off the excess and use that as a brow gel. I've been doing this for a while now and I really enjoy it. This just helps the brows look a little bit more hairy. As you can see, I have like no brows, so when I do this, it kind of helps the brows look a lot more hairy, a lot more natural, kind of. So now I'm gonna go into my favorite brow product, which is the XX Revolution XFine Brow Pencil. So I start by drawing on the bottom and then filling it in. So I'm trying not to fill it in too much because obviously it's meant to be more of a natural look. But I'm pretty much doing it the way I do my brows on a regular day because I don't like my brows being too drawn, too filled, if that makes any sense. So the brows are on and it's time to conceal. I'm concealing with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite in the shade 12.7. So I'm only concealing the bottom. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm going through a really bad brow funk right now. I hope to get out of it soon because my brows have not been giving the way they usually do. Not like I've ever been a brow babe like that, but something in the water. So we're just gonna try and forget about the brows and move on. So I'm gonna do just mascara. So we're just gonna go on to mascara. I'm not the best at this for some reason, but I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty mascara, Legit Lashes mascara. I love this stuff, and this is why I didn't put any anything on my eyes, so that if it does get messy, I can just clean it up after. So that's a hot mess, but I'm going to come back and clean it later. Let's get on to the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to use this Body Shop lip and cheek stain. So it's like a water tint. So they don't sell this one anymore. They've changed it to like a new formula. But any like water tint should be fine, or any lip tint. So I put that like on the center of my lips. And leave that like that. So that just gives me like a nice pinky tint to my lips, like nothing major, but just to make my lips look like healthy, you know. And then I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade Brown. I like this lip liner because it's not too dark, it's not too orange, it's just like the perfect natural lip liner. And then I want to top that all off with the Fenty Heat Lip Gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. Looking at them, like, I feel like I'll prefer it without a lip liner. I feel like the lip liner made it muddy. I'm going to do it again without the lip liner. And that is it. So I really love how the look turned out. I'm just going to use the Charlotte Tilbury finishing spray to set everything in place. Like, I love this. I always overdrown myself with setting spray, but it is what it is. I really love how this looks. Like, I love everything about it. I love the lips. I love the skin. The skin is skinning. I even like the mascara. I thought I was gonna hate how the mascara looked, but it looks amazing. Like the low bun is low bunning. Everything is sitting. Everything is giving. What do you think? I really like this. I really like the trend of like clean makeup and like, you know, going back to sew-ins and getting rid of frontals and just looking a bit more stripped back. I'm into it. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna do a frontal and full glam, but it's nice to just like sometimes be more on the chill side. And there are so many variations to this look. I told you I do a different kind of variation for work. I can still glam this up a bit and put like maybe a half lash on there. I could give you a bit of shape to the eye. There's so many ways you could do this look, and if you want to see me do more of these types of looks, or if you want to see me do like a drugstore version, let me know, because I am willing to do that. But anyway, that is the finished look. If you liked it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Please talk to me in the comments down below. I love to hear from you guys, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, and I'd love to see you in the next one.